trying food at the Met.
Cornbread with caviar.
Wait, let me have it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's see what we got. Cheers.
Cheers. Cornbread and caviar.
I like it.
I said it was good.
Oh my God.
She didn't believe me.
Yeah, I like it.
A white truffle lobster roll. What we think? Cheers.
Cheers. I love it.
What you think was better?
The cornbread was better.
Okay, now we was hungry.
I like the cornbread better.
Vegan lox?
You eat the whole thing like this too.
Just a scoop, a cup.
It's pretty. Cheers.
It's funny looking. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Why I say it ain't good?
I don't know about that one. That was better than what I thought.
It's good.
No. You ate it. It's good. It's real
Ting
good.
ting.
Oh, that's good.
What it was?
That might be
Chicken?
the best one, right?
Chicken and what?
Chicken caviar.
That wasn't no damn cousin. That
Oh,
was.
what's that? Chicken plantain.
Okay, hold on. What that is? This one was a truffle chopped cheese.
We're gonna double this one.
We had this twice. This is good. No, don't you keep chewing?
No, friend.
No.
I like that.
I like that.
What is this one? Curry chicken caviar. Curry.
Ooh,
Jamaican, straight from Kingston.
that's it.
Straight.
A little dry, but
Ooh.
cornbread 3 times.
3 times, babe. We went in 3 times. Okay, we going in for second.
Lobster number 2.
Lobster number 2.
Yup.
Yup.
Now we joining in.
So, hamache?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what that is, but I'll try.
It's a curry, carrots,
Hamache. Oh, I'm scared, Angel.
Okay.
and then she was
Like a lot to put in.
Hold on, I'm scared. I'm trying to see how I'm holding my phone, bitch.
You gotta dip it. Like,
That was good. I like that.
That was good.
It was a lot though.
We're not supposed to have our phone.
Not at all. Put your phone away. We're doing it.
Oh, I snuck the phone inside. Cheese. I snuck my phone. I took the tape off.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Yo, we on a scavenger hunt.
Okay, we're back.
We brought
We're reunited.
here.
I'm not supposed to have this. Woo. Look at how beautiful. Stunning eyebrows. Tea. Angela's always tea. Beautiful, gorgeous. I snuck my phone in. Just kidding. How do you say it, Michael?
swagger.
Period.
Number 6.
Woo!
And your Pulitzer.
We're getting the dress. Show off the body, babe.
Just for you. The body. Yeah, get it.
Cece!